Hey guys, Sam from TuneZilla here. In today's video we're going to be going over the ECU Tune and TCU Tune bundles for your Tiguan and your Atlas. Firstly, we're going to open up the TuneZilla portal. Click on Tune. Make sure the car is hooked up to a battery tender. You don't want it dying while you're tuning. Make sure the FlashZilla Pro is plugged in. Make sure the car is in the on position. And now you're just going to wait a little bit for the car to identify and read itself. Once the car is finished identifying itself, it's going to come up with all the available tunes. For this car, we have the ECU tune, TCU tune. We also have all-wheel drive tunes. So that means that is a tune for your Haldex unit. These cars are equipped with the Gen 5 Haldex unit, so we do have tunes for them. If you have any questions on that, feel free to open up a ticket on TuneZilla.com. We'll be more than happy to help you out with that and make sure everything's all good. For the premise of this video, we're going to go over the ECU tune and the TCU tune. Firstly, we're going to head over to ECU tune. We're going to click on the button that says Add a new ECU tune. This will bring you back to the TuneZilla website, where you'll see here we have all the options available for this car. If you don't see your tune, just be sure, click I can't find my tune, and we'll help you out. On this one, we're going to go with a Stage 1 93 octane tune. Click Continue. This is going to bring you up to the payment and information screen. Again, on yours, depending if you have tune credits, you can use those, or just enter in your card information and follow along to the next step. Now we're just going to wait for your tune to encode. Perfect. As you can see here, under the ECU section, you now show stock and Stage 1 93 octane. So this is the tune file that we just downloaded. We're going to go ahead, click on Stage 193, flash selected file, and we're just going to wait for the tune to do its thing. And as you can see here, you have the flash completed message. So that means that your ECU tune is now fully flashed onto the car. We're going to go return to tune library. And we're going to do the exact same thing for the TCU tune. So we're going to go select a new TCU tune. Brings you back to the TuneZilla website. Click on the Stage 1. Continue. Again, this is when it's going to prompt you to enter in your tune credits or to purchase the tune again with your credit card. And as you can see here, your Stage 1 TCU tune is now going to appear. Same as your ECU tune. You're going to have your stock, and then you're going to have the Stage 1 TCU. Click on it, flash selected file, and wait patiently. And now the flash is complete on the TCU as well. So once you get the blue check mark, you're all good to go. You can click Finish Tuning, and this is going to bring you back to the home page. And in short, that is how to tune your Tiguan or your Atlas with the ECU tune and the TCU tune bundle. Be sure once this is finished, you're going to want to cycle the ignition off. Wait a few seconds, cycle it back on, and then you can go ahead and start the car. And that's pretty much it. If you have any more questions, please reach out to TuneZilla.com, open up a support ticket, and we'll be more than happy to help you. You guys should all be good to go.